Good afternoon, welcome back to my YouTube channel today. So today we're going to do a bit of a short review on another product that's available from Drifter. Drifter's a company down in Gloucester in New South Wales, in case you don't know by now, run by Luke Sutton. He manufactures a lot of Australian quality goods and also imports a lot of quality goods from overseas, such as from Japan. And that's what I'm talking about. One of the items I've got here is one part is actually manufactured here in Australia, and that's the bag that you see here out of Australian quality canvas. And the other part inside here is from a company called Uniflame, which makes their own products. So what it is, stay tuned and I'll show you what. What have we got in the bag here? We have a camp oven or Dutch oven, but this is not any traditional style camp oven. This is made out of SpunSteel. So it's made out of one complete steel in a machine that spins the steel and forms it as one piece. So it's solid. It's not as heavy as your traditional cast iron. It's strong. If I drop this, it will not break. So that's the lid. Okay, well, seasoned very well. The oil stuck on there. So this is the smaller of, they come in three sizes. So this is the smaller one. The smaller one was big enough for me. So this is it here, and when you buy them they actually come with this colander. I think that's what they're called, and it keeps your, particularly if you're cooking roasts, it just keeps it off the base. Now when you buy these, you season them, and once you season them, the more you use it, the better they are. So they've got really good non-stick qualities to them. Now you think being made out of SpunSteel, you think it's not going to conduct the heat as well as what your regular cast iron ones will. This is not the case because these are really thick. So I'll bring it up and I'll show how. So I don't know if you can see that, but look how thick. So just remember, this is all one solid steel that's spun in a big machine, and that's how thick it is. So it actually traps the heat, and surprisingly it works really, really well. So it's great for frying as well. Easy to clean, very easy to clean. Being that it's made out of SpunSteel, you can see it's kept it well oiled, so there's no sign or speck of any rust, including the lid. You can see the lid, so I don't know if you can see the season coating on that. So the lid's got a handle. Again, I'll show you again, the lid is also just spun all in one steel. The only bit of welding that's done to it is the lid itself. So you can see how thick that is. Now it's actually called, it's a Uniflame small super deep. So it's a super deep one. Two handles. I love how the handle is made on these. And of course you got your good quality canvas bag. And these canvas bags, they actually got some boot liner material in the bottom as well. So, yeah. Now I've cooked many a sort of different meals here. I've fried in this. I've cooked roasts, many roasts. Roast cooked really, really nice on this. Damper, bread, basically anything you cook in your oven at home, you can cook in this. So I find a little bit of coals at the base and a few coals on the top. You don't need a lot, and you'll be amazed at how much heat that's put out. Now recently when I was camping down in Fraser Island, we were not allowed to have any fires there, so I didn't even start up any coals. All I did is I just got my little Origo 3000 metho stove, small flame. I sat that on the top, put a roast in there, and within an hour and a half we had a nice size roast, all cooked nice and even. I didn't even have to take the roast out and turn it around because it actually conducts heat, spreads heat really well. So you can get away with cooking without having coals on the top, but your meat just won't brown as good as what it would if you did have some coals on the top. So it works really well. It's compact, which is important for me because I don't carry a trailer or anything, and it doesn't take up much room, and it's extremely durable. As you can see how thick it is, the steel. As soon as you finish cooking, clean, wipe up. Very important you make sure this is dry, so I'll put it back onto the heat, thoroughly dry, let it cool down, and then pop it back in the bag. And this will last you a lifetime. You'll be able to hand this down to your grandkids. So, just a short video today. I wanted to show this because I hadn't spoken much about this. One day we'll do a cooking demo with this, but really in reality it works like any conventional Dutch oven, camp oven really. It's made out of SpunSteel. Works very similar to your conventional cast iron because of how thick that steel is. So, thanks for watching, guys, and do yourself a favour, subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. I really appreciate it if you subscribe, and if you like the video, put a like down below. So till next time, cheers.